If you look at a typical cryptographic library or crypto library in most programming languages, it could be Python, it could be Java, it could be Ruby, you will see that they support a whole bunch of algorithms, hashing functions, key stretching functions, and so on. Now, most of them are not built for security in the sense that a lot of them are outdated functions, or they allow you to use insecure crypto algorithms, they allow you to use insecure hashes or insecure key stretching functions, and so on. The idea is that they put a lot of onus on the developer to know about cryptography, which is really not something a developer would really know. So today you have a lot of secure default libraries like Google Tink or libsodium that do not even allow you to use those insecure crypto implementations, insecure algorithms or insecure functions, whatever it is. They don't even allow you to use it. For example, just these two lines of code in Python gives you an idea what I'm talking about. Here, the first 3 lines of code, you will see 4 or 5 mistakes, which means they're using an insecure mode of encryption. They're padding it. Developers don't know what they're padding it with. They're base64 encoding the ciphertext, and then that is vulnerable to timing attacks. Whereas if you use a secure default library like libsodium, all you have to do is pass the message into the box, the sealed secret box that they have, or secret box implementation that they have. And you don't need to think about padding. You don't need to think about the mode of encryption. You don't need to think about anything. The developer doesn't have to really bother about anything because they're using a secure default, and the library handles all the heavy lifting of figuring out what's the algorithm and stuff like that. It's really not something that the developer is exposed to. The developer does not have any concept of what they need to do. They don't need to think about, oh, what does this cryptographic implementation mean? They don't need to know that. And that's the point. As a developer, you should not have to know which cryptographic function to use. You should be able to use this library without the fear of having it blow up in your face. And that's basically what secure defaults mean.